this...
Na sinabi po na yung warrant of arrest ay tunay.
I understand, Mr. President, and therefore I'm appealing that perhaps this matter should be tackled in the committee rather than in this in plenary, so that we can address other concerns, Mr. President.
The appeal,
And
the
for the
appeal is
record,
noted.
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor. And for the record, Mr. President, we voted against resolution number 44. So to say that we have this resolution, yes, but there are senators who voted against it, and therefore it is not necessarily our agreement with the points being raised by the good senator from Camarines Norte.
Gusto ko po sanang ireklamo si Senator Pangilinan sa pagsigaw. Meron po ba siya rules natin na sinasabing pwede mong sigawan ng kapwa mo senador?
Narinig ko yung malakas na boses ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Alam ko na si Senator Pangilinan ay dating galing sa broadcasting, baka nag-modulate. Maari po ba tayo ay mag-suspend muna para pag-usapan yung malakas na boses at wari pagsigaw ni Senator Pangilinan?
Excuse me, nasa akin
President,
po yung
iba ang
floor.
sasabihin.
Senator Padilla has
excuse
the
me.
floor. The chair is answering the question of Senator Padilla. Session is suspended.
Sa akin talaga, hindi ako sanay na sinisigawan. So, sinasabi nila na natural yan daw dito. Sa akin hindi. Ngayon, kung saan makakarating yung reklamo ko, bahala na magdesisyon kung sino yung magiging chairman ng committee ng pwede. Kailangan sa plenary mo gawin. Sa plenary niya ako sinigawan eh. Kung sinigawan niya ako dyan, okay, nagkamay kami. Pero doon na ako sinigawan.
Nung sabi po, may nag-apologize siya.